interested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. And don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend.
But you can't fix what you can't see.
The mountain below.
But when it crumbles, why don't you be you?
God knows we're worth it.
Elevator, escalator, travelator blues.
Listen to the Sergeant Boys.
How exciting.
What's that?